What happens if I want to draw a line that's of a regular angle but not at 90 degrees? I'm going to press F8 to disable my ortho mode. And then going back into the status bar, I'm going to ensure that my polar tracking is set on. I can use the keyboard key F10 to accomplish this as well. Using polar tracking, we see a green tracking line appear at every prescribed angle. Now, right now, that angle is 90 degrees. So how do we modify the angle at which our polar tracking tracks? Going back into the status bar, I'm going to right-click on the polar tracking icon and once again select to open the Drafting Settings dialog box from within this context menu. Polar Tracking tab, and we can see the increment angle at which we're tracking. Let's expand the drop-down and specify a 15-degree polar tracking. We can also make note that we can add additional angles for custom angles. I'll stay with 15 degrees for now. Click OK, and now every time I go to 15 degrees, we can see the polar tracking update. And whenever I draw a line along any of these green tracking lines, I know that they're exactly 15 degrees. And I know that if I want to draw a line with polar tracking on where I don't see the green line, I know that it's not at a 15-degree increment.